what's up people, this is me Yash and you guys are watching Yash Shop. So guys, today I'm going to make an unboxing video of my latest computer glasses which I ordered from Amazon. So let's get started. So this is the Lenskart product sold by Amazon and I received this in this particular box packing. So it includes this address, some bills, and here you can see it cost me $799, 800 rupees. And this is an Lenskart box, ready to look spectacular is the tagline. So let's open it. So in this box you will find the product. This is Lenskart Blue Zero powered computer glasses. So let's open it. So in this box you got this soft cloth to clean the lens along with the branding of Lenskart. The cloth is really soft. So this is voila. This is how our goggle looks. This is how our spec look. Just take a closer look how this looks. This is the goggles. You can see here Lenskart Blue is written. On the other side, so the model number is written, that is LBE13526. So overall, this is how our frame looks. If you use laptops and mobile for hours, then I think you should get this one like this to protect your eyes from the blue rays, blue rays and UV rays which comes from laptop and mobile screens. So pack up. So thank you for watching this video, guys. So this is how the glasses look. If you hope you like it, and I tried to do some small setup over here by using this white light. This is the red light, and above here there is a ring light. Ta-da! This is how these glasses looks on me. Glasses are lightweight, but the price is quite higher. You can find the same computer glasses with different frame for around 300 easily on Amazon. So you can also check them out. Glasses, this is zero powered as I don't have any power, but you can also ask them for powered glasses.